Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself getting lost in a big Smartsheet project trying to see just the high-level parent tasks, while all the subtasks and details clutter things up, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a clever Ancestor formula to create a WBS level column in your sheet, and then use a row report to filter and view just the parent tasks you want. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get a focused, bird's-eye view of your project's structure, making it way easier to manage and present your progress. Let's dive right in. We'll pick up from a sheet that's already set up with parent and child rows, the typical indented hierarchy you'd see for tasks and subtasks in Smartsheet. If you're working from your own worksheet, make sure you've already used the indent feature so you have that parent-child relationship built in. That's important because this trick relies on Smartsheet recognizing those levels. First, we're going to make a new helper column to store the WBS level. So find an empty space to the right of your current columns, right-click on any column header and choose Insert Column to left. This will insert a fresh column just before your current one, super handy if you want to keep things organized. For the column name, let's call it WBS level. This stands for Work Breakdown Structure, which is just a fancy way of referring to the different layers in your project hierarchy. Next, make sure the column type is set to text number. This is important because we'll be putting a formula here that returns a simple number, reflecting each task's place in your project structure. To set that up, click on the column properties and select text number if it's not already chosen. Now here comes the magic. In the first cell of your new WBS level column, type in this formula. Equals count ancestors task name at row +1. What is this doing? Well, ancestors is a function that counts how many parent rows a particular row has above it. By counting the ancestors and then adding 1, you get the level number. So your top-level parent tasks will show as level 1, their immediate subtasks as level 2, and so on. It's like zooming out and seeing the outline of your whole project at a glance. Once you've typed that in, just grab the corner of the cell and drag down to fill the formula through all the rows of your project. It may take Smartsheet a second to process if you have a big worksheet. That's totally normal, just give it a moment. Alright, now let's switch over to your row report. We want to display the WBS level in our report as well, so go to the Report Builder, add a new column, choose WBS level from your list, and drag it over to the left side for easy visibility. This helps you and anyone reviewing the report see at a glance which level each task falls on. Now it's time to filter the report so you're only seeing the parent tasks. Go into the filter criteria in your report, find the column called WBS level, and set the filter to is equal to 1. This tells Smartsheet you only want to see tasks that are at the very top layer of your project, your main parent rows. If you want, you can easily change this to 2 or 3 if you want different layers shown, totally flexible. Click OK and you should see a cleaned up view with just your top-level parent tasks. Now you can focus on the biggest moving parts of your project without getting bogged down in every little subtask. And that's it. You've just learned how to highlight parent and child tasks in Smartsheet with a WBS level column and control exactly what you see in your reports. If you found this helpful, please tap the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, or hit a snag. I'm happy to help. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future Smartsheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck mastering your reports.